your spirit. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke. Glory to you, O Lord. At that time, Jesus came to Jericho and intended to pass through the town. Now a man there named Zacchaeus, who was a chief tax collector and also a wealthy man, was seeking to see who Jesus was. But he could not see him because of the crowd, for he was short in stature. So he ran ahead and climbed a sycamore tree in order to see Jesus, who was about to pass that way. When he reached the place, Jesus looked up and said, "Zacchaeus, come down quickly, for today I must stay at your house." And he came down quickly and received him with joy. When they saw this, they began to grumble, saying, "He has gone to stay at the house of a sinner." But Zacchaeus stood there and said to the Lord, "Behold, half of my possession, Lord, I shall give to the poor. And if I have extorted anything from anyone, I shall repay it 4 times over." And Jesus said to him, "Today salvation has come to this house, because this man too is a descendant of Abraham. For the Son of Man has come to seek and to save what was lost." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Praise be Jesus and Mary, now and forever. Zacchaeus, come down quickly, for today I must stay at your house. So good morning po, or good day sa ating mga praise be Jesus and Mary, now and forever. Good morning and good day po sa mga nanonood sa ating live stream dito po sa ating Facebook page ng ating Holy Mass. And sa atin pong Gospel today, in our Gospel, ay tungkol po kay Zacchaeus. And you know, what Jesus did is really something that we all experience, no? Siguro lahat naman tayo naka-experience ng pag-ibig ng Diyos. And why? Because, you know, alam niyo po, si Christ, si Lord, no? He does not mind what other people tells about us, no? Walang pakialam si Lord sa mga sinasabi ng iba. But tinatanggap niya tayo for who we really are, no? And alam niyo po, no, that is what the goodness of the Lord, no? Kaya nga po, no, it doesn't matter what other people tell you or speak to you, o may marites ka man, no, o criticize ka man, di po ba? Importante, Christ loves you, no? And that should be the one, will be the, sabi nga, motor, no? Para ikaw ay mag-move on, magpatuloy, no? Kasi nga, marami po sa atin masyadong conscious o minsan over-conscious sa sasabihin ng iba. Tuloy, napaparalyze at hindi po nakakagawa ng tama, no? We cannot do what we have to do as a Christian and do the will of God because we are very preoccupied, no, sa sasabihin ng iba, no? Unlike Zacchaeus, no, he has the courage, no, to really to talk to Jesus, to ask to Jesus, no, to come to his house. And really, he was really sincere, no, sa kanyang invitation kay Lord. No, sana po gayahin natin, brothers and sisters, si Zacchaeus, just like also Saint Agnes of Assisi, no. Today we are celebrating the sister of Saint Clare, Saint Agnes, no. At that time, yung family nila, no, they don't want Saint Agnes to enter the convent just like Saint Clare, but Saint Agnes was firm, no, and he really invited Jesus into her heart, into her life, in her vocation as a poor Clare. So brothers and sisters, no, sabi nga, let us, no, continue doing good. No? Huwag nating pansinin yung mga marites na yan, yung mga tolits na yan. No? It will not help us. No? At the same time, napakaganda nung nakita kong post. No? Sabi doon, no? If you are, if the if those person is your friend and love, no? They will accept you for who you are. No? And they will not mind, no, those who are speaking bad of you. Yun man talaga, no? Ang tunay na kaibigan ay yung mga taong nakakakilala sa iyo at hindi naniniwala doon sa mga marites, no? Kasi yung mga naniniwala sa marites, isa lang ibig sabihin niyan, hindi kanila tunay na kaibigan. Ayan. No? Kasi ang tunay na kaibigan nakakakilala sa iyo at nakakaunawa sa iyo. Katulad ng Panginoon. That's why Jesus is our true friend. No? Because Jesus never listened to those who criticize you, to those who speak bad of you. Jesus accepts you for who you really are. So mga brothers and sisters, let us ask Saint Agnes and our Blessed Mother na tulungan tayo to move on, to do the will of God, no? And to really cherish those friends, no? Ating i-pray yung ating mga kaibigan, yung mga tunay na kaibigan na nakakalam sa atin, naniniwala sa atin at nag-i-encourage sa atin. Praise be Jesus and Mary.